Khanani strike noti ani kaisa message. Khanani strike, symbolic strike nai, one single voice for the permanent solution of Tiprasa. Baksa Tiprasa or strike no khanawi chini bising. Borok saka tangi strike khai or strike borot hangi sogi nai. I wanted to tell you, we understand that you need to keep your masters happy. You people are these days guns for hire, and you are also being comfortable being ruled by others. See, party comes through diversity. There can be differences in ideologies, but there should be a respect. If you cannot support us or if you cannot contribute in this strike, then be silent. Please do not mock. We Tiprasa, we are fighting for our identity, and do not try hard to be someone who actually you are not. We are a Tiprasa, we are born Tiprasa, and we will die as a Tiprasa. And being a Tiprasa, please do not be a threat to our own Tiprasa people. You may criticize today, but what is next? Are you really happy with roads and bridges or some economic packages? Tiprasa hangai nang Gulbazaro horo nang baka khologi thangai da mangka. India Pakistan border 3 years by Sri ni Tripura border seal da khaijaka. Abu wansuna nangnai. Look at other part of Northeast. Assam has Assam Accord, Sikkim, Manipur, Nagaland. They have 371A, B, G, F, ILP, Chinoro Tamtong. Delimitation ng man pore jeng borot hangi sogi nai Tiprasani percentage busug nai jeng abono wansuna nangnai. So keep your self-respect intact. Let's think for the future generation also. Let's be a Tiprasa. Let's act like a Tiprasa. We should not be someone who actually we are not.